TNPCB data on Diwali underplays real extent of air pollution, says environmental group. According to the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board, Chennai's AQI between 6 am on October 20 and 6 am on October 21 ranged from 190 to 332. However, PN said the actual pollution levels were far higher, and environmental organization PN has called for a review of how air pollution is measured in Tamil Nadu, alleging the current methods understate the real impact of firecrackers emissions during Diwali. According to the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board, that is abbreviation TNPCB, Chennai's Air Quality Index AQI between 6 am on October 20 and 6 am on October 21 ranged from 190 to 332. However, PN said the actual pollution levels were far higher as private monitoring apps showed readings of up to 993 AQI in parts of the city on Diwali night. The group criticized the TNPCB use of 24 hours averages, saying this conceals the intensity of pollution during peak hours when the air becomes dangerously toxic. In areas such as Saravakam, where the 24 hours average was 332 AQI, the real time level between 8 pm and 11 pm could have exceeded 800 AQI, the organization said in a statement. It also pointed out that the TNPCB monitors cannot record levels above 500 AQI, making it impossible to know how bad air quality truly gets. It urged the government to release hourly data, increase real-time monitoring stations in the city, and remove the 500 AQI ceiling. And PN further demanded stricter time restriction on busting crackers, a complete ban in hill stations such as Ooty and Kodaikanal, and a pollution tax on fireworks based on the polluter pays principle. It also called for a long-term plan to provide alternative livelihoods for firecrackers workers. So this article was about Diwali pollution, and it was happened due to firecrackers. And in reality, Diwali is the festival of lights. There is no work of firecrackers or crackers on Diwali. It polluted environment as air quality, or it shows noise pollution too, that is harmful for birds or any kind of animal.